ABC Alphabet Fun for Kids A to Z. Hello, little friends. Welcome to ABC Alphabet Fun. Let's learn the English alphabet together with colorful words and exciting examples. A. A is for apple. Apples are so sweet and healthy. B. B is for ball. Let's play with the ball. C. C is for cat. The cat says meow. D. D is for dog. Dogs are loyal friends. E. E is for elephant. Elephants have long trunks. F. F is for fish. Fish swim in the water. G. G is for grapes. Grapes grow in bunches. H. H is for house. We live in a house. I. I is for ice cream. Ice cream is yummy. J. J is for jellyfish. Jellyfish live in the ocean. K. K is for kite. Let's fly a colorful kite. L. L is for lion. The lion is the king of the jungle. M. M is for mango. Mango is the king of fruits. N. N is for nest. Bird will nest. O. O is for orange. Oranges are juicy and tasty. P. P is for parrot. Parrots can mimic sounds. Q. Q is for queen. The queen wears a beautiful crown. R. R is for rabbit. Rabbits love carrots. S. S is for sun. The sun gives us light. T. T is for tiger. Tigers have beautiful strips. U. U is for umbrella. An umbrella keeps us dry in the rain. V. V is for van. The van takes children to school. W. W is for watermelon. Watermelons are big and juicy. X. X is for xylophone. A xylophone makes beautiful music. Y. Y is for yo-yo. Let's play with the yo-yo. Z. Z is for zebra. Zebras have black and white strips. ABC song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G. Learning letters is easy. H, I, J, K, L, M, N. Let's sing them once again. O, P, Q, R, S, T. Learning is fun for you and me. U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Now you know your ABC. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe.